Exercise 1, Finding Neutral Spine. This is the key position to be in for all your core stability exercises. We will start in the hook lying position. Lie on your back with your hip and knees bent to 45 degrees, hip width apart, and your feet flat on the floor. Everyone is going to have a slightly different curve that is unique to their body. Place your hands on your pelvis. Start by rolling your pelvis forward, extending or arching your low back slowly. This is an interior pelvic tilt, which increases your low back curve or lordosis. Then release, and start rolling your pelvis backwards towards the floor to flatten your low back. This is a posterior tilt, which decreases your low back curve or lordosis. Neutral spine is a comfortable position between those two end ranges. You will usually have a small curve in your low back and need to engage your core muscles to maintain this neutral position as you perform your stability exercises.